Hello, everybody. Our cards today are so beautiful and straightforward. So let's go. We're in a state of peace of mind and healing. Although the energies are heavy, that's how we, in general, are feeling today. We've let go of a lot of negativity and regrets, and we're taking control of our own lives. Yes, there's a lot of chaos in the world, especially last month, and this month is going to maybe be even worse with natural disasters and things like that predicted already. But the universe wants us to know that it's bringing us our freedoms, also happiness and victory. In the past, we had a very stressful situations, and but we opening up and we starting to see clearly now. We must shine our own light. This will bring us balance and help us help others. We're still looking over our shoulders, and that is uh, 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 into the past. But hopefully, it's like to let it go, and so that we can set boundaries for our future. Yes, we have been left in the dark for a very long time, but we're opening up now and we bringing our ideas to light. Those ideas that we kept quiet because we were told it's stupid. It's not stupid. You raise your voice and say what you think is fantastic because it is. It's opening doors for you as this transformation comes about. There will be justice and balance coming into your life, and universe wants you to know how worthy you are. You are created by the Almighty. You are so beautiful and wonderful. Believe it. Let go of things that don't sit right with you and surrender yourself to the changes and a bright new future. Create goals around yourself and don't let people stop you from moving forward in a positive, uplifted way. That's our message for today. Isn't that great? Enjoy the rest of your day and know that you are truly, truly loved.